news, and we have more on this story.
Well, we got a school bus cutter. Yeah, school bus cutting in line. Good job there, school bus. Oh, wait a minute. You change your mind? You're going to slow everybody down there. You don't know which way you want to go. You want to go to Coronado or San Diego? Oh, my goodness. Little baby, come on, baby, you got it. Go, baby, go. Baby. Yeah, baby.
Watching the roads and freeways for you. But come on, work with us, people. Want to say something? I'll put it out there. When you see a problem, call us at pound 250 and say Kogo Traffic. News Radio 600 Kogo.
Oh my goodness. It's a good thing I didn't have anybody right beside me. Whoa, what the hell? Oh, look, he cut that guy off too. Did you see him? He cut me off and then he cut that guy off. And he didn't stop for the stop sign down there.
Oh.
I just saw him. He just ran the stop sign too.
He turned left?
He turned left.
I'm sure blame it on the Republicans, right? I'm sure, yes. So somehow it's 6 degrees of separation. So.
Good job, everybody. Good job. Woo, baby! Go off to the races.
Eastbound 94 at 30th Street and earlier, some earlier.
Go get him, baby! Go get him! See you up ahead at the crash.
Oh, Ragu's on sale. Yes, I buy Ragu.
That is by Ragu.
Sorry.
He just judged you.
Yeah,
Man?
Woo, baby!
Oh, I assumed you here.
Woo! Good job there, motorcycle.
Added jobs and better for the environment. I'm Lucinda Kay in the Kogo News Center. But first, an appeals court says the city of San Diego will not be on the hook for testing water at San Diego Unified.
Woo, boy. Good job there, motorcycle. Glad you didn't run into that house. Go get him, baby.
Go get him, Brad.
That ain't Brad. Oh, come on over there, buddy. You want to make that 805 north, don't you?
There is a road behind me.
No, I'd rather cut off all the cars. What's he doing?
already.
What's that guy? What?
I don't know. Keep on going. Oh my goodness.
So what do I do? Turn on?
Good job, buddy.
Right? Basahin mo daw. Basahin. Let me see.
Good job, buddy.
Happy
Don't know where you want to go, do you?
Philippines.
Uncomfortable story to play.
Okay, buddy.
Follow us.
Come on, baby. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Yeah, I know you're gonna step on the brakes. Oh, maybe you're gonna get an opening, and you're off to the races again. And there he goes. I don't know why that guy's stopping. Oh, because that guy. Is that the, that's not the same white car that was doing the stuff? Go ahead, get a seat. That's why that other white car was stopping, because he saw this guy coming in from nowhere, illegally.
COVID-19 vaccine boosters are now available to fully vaccinated people ages 12 and up. Ask your doctor how a booster can increase immunity and reinforces your defense against COVID-19 and its variants.
And he said, I'm pushing the cameras on the dash cam, I can't get into work. I said, no, it's the toggle switch. You just gotta flip the toggle switch up. She says, I pressed every button on the camera, I can't get it to work. I said, no! I said, it's on the dashboard. And then I don't know where she was looking. She couldn't find it. Then she said, you talking about the red switch? I was like, what? Red? What? That's the toggle switch. Finally, I guess you finally, right?
That means you don't drive with it on.
Next time you and I forget something else, just say,
But at least the one is not working. It's not moving, I mean.
Well, thanks. When we get home, I want to pull it.
I don't know if that one is inside because I heard it.
Did it say
Yeah,
Rove
okay.
is recording or
Yeah.
whatever? Yeah, okay, that means it's recording.
It's late. I think it's recording, but maybe it's still recording.
You mean by the time they got by, you still didn't get it turned on?
Oh,
I'll
boy.
find out. I'm gonna look at the video.
Oh boy.